Oh man, we
Oh, that was my pop in the freezer, wasn't it?
yeah.
Alright, thanks.
So guys, we messed up. I tried to get a free game, Burnout Paradise, last night. I should have known, because I knew, subconsciously I knew never to download free games, but I did anyways. And I reboot my computer, so I figured it would go back, it would erase everything, and I'd get to start new again. But this time it kind of got right into the hard drive or something. Something's wrong with this disk drive. And so, which brings me to the point of this video, is that you're probably not going to see the, like, you'll see these vlogs, like, as long as it's not cut up and stuff. But you won't be seeing any edited videos from me for a while, or even audio videos, like raps and stuff. Because, well, I screwed up the computer. I mean, I knew for a long time, 2 years now, I knew it's gonna break down eventually, because it's been doing this for quite a while now, just not as this bad now. So what happened is I was downloading Burnout Paradise, and for those of you computer owners, let me tell you, there is no such thing as a free game. It could be a very old game, it's not free. Stick with the online games and buy your games if you're gonna get games, you know. I mean, you could really damage your computer's memory drive, and that's what I done. I'm not a computer whiz, I'm just going by experience. So yeah, usually when I reset the computer or reboot it, that's when you hit F11 while it's starting up, and you could set it back to, with the system restore, back to factory settings. Usually when I do that though, I always I like, ever since last year or 2 years ago actually, when this started happening, I quit using the free antivirusware they would want to set me up with, or I quit letting it update itself, or I quit letting it ask for updates, because in the long run, it would actually make the computer worse. I mean, the computer was made back in 2014, so this antivirusware, it's not up to date, and they probably actually even forgot about it, and now hackers own the antivirusware, and now every time you get it on your computer, it's gonna crap out on you. So right now I'm looking at it. Can't stop looking at it, because I always think, oh, maybe it just take us some time. Maybe it'll just take some time. No, it's been like this all day and night. Starting Windows 24 hours later. So we have a problem. I can't edit videos. I can't, if I wanted to do those videos where I'm talking to myself in mask, or even do any type of series. I can't really do that right now. Not till I get a new computer, and that's not gonna be for a while. Because I mean, I would set up a GoFundMe or Patreon, or something to let you guys help me out, and maybe give me $5 here and there, and I could save up for a new computer. But I can't do that, because you need $200 to open a bank account around me. I mean, you don't need the $200, but if you try opening it without $200, they'll slowly take 25 cents away a day. And then if you do open it with if you do open it with $200, they'll give you 5 cents a day. With the income and interest, they either take away if it's too less, or they'll give you a little bit more if it's enough. I don't have $200 to do that, so I can't open a bank account. I can't really do that stuff. Yeah, so now I just gotta play the waiting game. I don't know, really, because computers are expensive. Like, I'm looking at $100+ or something, I'm guessing. And nowadays, like, the good computers are gonna cost more, and that's not even the real case. The real case is, like, okay, this 2014 computer that crapped out, made in 2014, comes with a free antivirusware, yada yada yada. It's 2014, so it's 5 years old. Now, let's go over to this this laptop, which was made in 2007. 2007, 7 years before this computer was made, and actually it is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 years old. This laptop is 12 years old, people, and it's still running. It's no lag. It's not slow. The only problem with this laptop is I broke the battery pack to it, so now I have to hook up the cord if I ever want to use it, which isn't really a problem, you know. It makes it more like, it feels more like a real computer. I mean, I might not can use it on the go, but why would I need to use it on the go unless if I have Wi-Fi following me around, and that's most of the time not the case. So right now this laptop's working awesome. The only crappy thing about this 2007 version, it could be new or old, you need the new computers that make, as you can see up here, I have notifications, I have uploads, I have my account. Well, you guys didn't see that. Oh crap. Almost exposed myself. But what you don't have up here is a chat, is a YouTube chat. You know, hold on, pauses. Sorry, I was watching a fan film. Halloween, the Panhandle Massacre. Fan film. Yeah, the only thing crappy about this is that I can't use a YouTube chat. But isn't really a crappy thing at all, because with that YouTube chat comes advertisers, comes hackers, comes a lot of things that you do not want. But it could be also useful, because you can make group chats, and that way you can be invited to groups that are that'll help you get subscribers. Like you can tell them, hey, I make these kind of videos, yeah, if you want to come check me out, come check me out. That's the only good thing about it. But there also is a bad side. You get invited to those groups, and I'll say 5 times out of the 10, so 50% of the time, there's always a hacker in that group, and they will show you that they can hack. They will legit show you. One time they shut down my computer, and first time I was invited to this group, I had no idea who the people were. First time I was invited to this group, they shut down my computer, gave me the blue screen of death almost. I turned it off and I reset it really quick. If your computer ever shuts off in a way you never seen it shut off before, reset your computer as quick as you can. I don't care if you got to unplug and plug it back in, do that. Because if it shuts off in a weird way, like an old TV would shut off, you know, the screen would get smaller and smaller, that's a forced shutdown. That means that can't happen unless if someone made it happen. So just be worried about that. And as soon as that happened, I reset it. I got back on YouTube and I looked in that group. There's this random person. It was called Caution Fox Ahead. I can't give you their full name because they use weird emojis at the beginning and last of their name. That's what hackers do. So you can't really search up their name on YouTube and block them. But they're Caution Fox Ahead. As soon as I joined back in, they're telling everyone, oh, not this guy. The new creator always complains about someone hacking him. I never talked to any of these people in my life, and this person's like acting like he knows me after he got done hacking me, making me turn off my computer and shit. And I guess he's seen that, like, I'm hard to hack. Like, I know what to do in case of a situation like that, so he's seen that I wasn't going to be an easy target for him. So his second thing to do was a troll and to make other people think I was crazy. So in return, I did this. I typed in there, watch out, Caution Fox Ahead is a hacker, and he shut down my PC, and I don't want to be invited to this group ever again, and left the group. So maybe he did get what he wanted in the end. You know, he got some people to believe in him, but most likely he probably hacked a lot of those people in that group, and they're probably wondering, like, maybe there is a hacker among us. Maybe there is a sheep in wolf clothing, there's a wolf in sheep clothing among us. Yeah, just to prove to you guys, it's been 10 minutes now, and it's still starting Windows. Like, I wanted to make a video where I'd set up the camera and like let it show how long this takes, and it honestly, it probably won't even start up. I probably have to keep resetting it, and that won't even work. Right now I can't even, like, I got the reboot earlier. I got the reboot, and usually that helps a lot. But this time, it's like there's something like constantly attacking the computer, and I can't get it to stop. I'm gonna try reboot it again, actually. So watch. We'll hold F11. Okay. Press F1. Here we go. The boot up menu starting. And like, I got to work earlier today when I woke up. But and the weird thing is, no, I got to work last night. I did it last night before I went to sleep. And then when I woke up, I figured, when I went to sleep, I turned off the computer, and I figured maybe it'll start up, because I rebooted it, and it'll probably fix its problem because it's back to factory settings. Woke up the next morning and it didn't want to start. Starting Windows, starting Windows, starting Windows. That's all it shows. So yeah, guys, you probably won't be hearing a lot from me for a while. Like, I might make these like little crappy videos. I'm not gonna lie, these videos to me are crappy. I'm not putting in as much effort as I can, and there's no storyline to it. It's just me talking. Just me talking. And yeah, it sucks. To me that sucks. I don't know, maybe some of you like that, listening to me talk. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know why. But yeah. I don't know, I might try to figure out something to do, because with this laptop I really can't adapt. I can't adapt on this laptop. It's so old. I can, but it's very crappy to do. It's like, most of the time it'll break down the video, and then you'll be able to see the cuts really easily. Like it'll make the screen flash black and then show it like as if a cut, instead of just playing it through like a normal video. So that's why I don't want to edit on this laptop. I'd rather edit with a newer computer. So yeah, sorry guys. I'll figure out something to do, Maybe we'll just go to vlogs. We'll have to do vlogs. We have no choice at this point. It sucks, but you gotta do what you gotta do, Hopefully this won't make you guys want to unsub. Like I said, it's only a matter of time. Once I get a new computer, I'll be able to do gaming videos or series videos where I make stories, live action, or I can, maybe with a newer computer, maybe when I get a newer computer, I can actually add effects, and that'll be awesome. If I can add effects to videos, then this channel's gonna boost. This channel's gonna fucking take off. Sorry for swearing, but that's how I feel about it. Like, if I can do effects, I can do my stories can go so much further than what they can do now. Because then think about it, I won't have to stop the camera and start the camera to keep switching places. I'll be able to do like side by side talking to myself with a mask on or something. Or also I'll be able to do like I'll be able to pull out the props I made like for weapons, and I'll be able to do a cool glow effect over them, or make them even shoot magic or whatever, some cool stuff, or I can even make it look like someone got exploded or something. I don't know, something cool. But yeah, so just hang in there, and also I probably won't be commenting as much on all of your videos like I usually do, because I comment with this computer. It's with this computer I can make comments, but I'd like to stay off my account as much as I can, because it is an old computer, and even though it can't be like really hacked that easily, I'm not saying like, hey, come hack me, okay? Look, you guys got me. Alright, you guys got me, okay? You guys destroyed my PC, and look, you guys won, okay? Even in the first place, I never wanted to admit that I won against a hacker, because I never felt like I did. Because if you think about it, hackers are smarter than the average person, okay? If they're able to get into something from far away, then that means they're smart, okay? They are smart people, and they're not a force to be reckoned with, alright? Now, those hackers that are watching, if you can fix my computer, I'll give you all the info you need. Just comment below, and I'll, I don't know, I'll email it to you or something, because I know I can't tell you in the comments all the information about this computer, because then bad hackers can get into it. But if there's a good hacker out there that wants to try to fix my computer up for me, please please help me. Just know that it's at the point where it's like the cancer is too ill for it to be cured like that. So it's probably going to be quite at work. And plus, also, this computer gets attacked by a lot of different people, from DDoSers to hackers to just creeps. Yeah, this computer gets watched on a couple times, and that's why I have all my webcams taped up. Before I end off this video, tape up your webcam. You never know who's watching. In fact, I feel like there's a built-in, since this is a touch screen, right now I have the touch screen off because there's a fly, as you've seen in the last video I told you. But I really don't feel like, I feel like there could be a camera set in this computer, because that's the reason why I don't really want to get a new computer. It's untelling what they could have done to it, you know, because they won't. Oh wow, look at my hand, it's all bluey. Oh, I got the power. Hey, there's my effects already. I'm going ghost mode. They call me Dalton Ghost. Dalton Phantom. That's what it is. Dalton Phantom. Going into the computer, guys. Going to fix this problem. Oh crap, that looks cool. I wish that was that easy. I really wish it was that easy. Like, I can just pull out like a friggin' worm that's just beat the crap out of it and kill it. I don't know. But yeah, guys, peace out. Stay awesome. As you can see, now it won't even reboot. I don't know what to do. I could reset it 100 times. Still do the same thing. I've been doing that all today. So, yeah. Peace out. Stay awesome and keep creating YouTubers. And I really hope this doesn't happen to none of you, especially if you're a creator. Really hope. Take it easy, guys. Take it easy.